on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, I got a haul for you. I went to Sephora, spent some coin like I normally do and picked up some goodies. So if you want to see what I picked up from Sephora, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I'm excited to break this bag open with you guys because I haven't even went through this, and I went and got this stuff over the weekend. And yes, honey, it is Thursday. So yes, we're gonna break into this and see what's going on, and I'm gonna share with you the stuff that I picked up from Sephora. So let's get into this. So yes, first up, it was a free bag that I got for buying some Becca products. And it's just, a little makeup bag that says Becca. BFFs. It's a little cute bag. Next up, I got this Sephora foundation brush. And this is the Pro Slated Buffing Brush. When I went into Sephora, this lady wanted to test some stuff on me, so I let her. I didn't have any makeup on or anything. I was just running into the mall, and yes, she did some stuff on my face, and I actually liked this brush and how it applied. So this is what it comes in. I haven't opened her, so let's just give it a whirl. But she's slanted, she's soft. I like this little case she comes in because you can travel with this very easily. But yes, this is the brush right here. And it was just like, I liked it. So I went and picked this up. The brush was on sale if you bought a Becca foundation. You got the brush, I think. It was half off. So yeah. Thank you. I spent $18 for this brush. And then next up, I have the Becca Skin Love Brightening and Blur Primer. This is a primer that is infused with Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex. A brightening Hydra Complex, which helps brighten the skin and just plumps it up and it makes it feel moisturized. The lady used this on me in Sephora, and I loved how it applied, how it felt, and how it had the foundation looking. So I did pick me one of these up, and this retailed for, because I have my thingy right here, was $39. And then next up I got was the Becca foundation. This is the Ulta Coverage 24-Hour foundation, and I'm in the shade Maple. So this is the box that she comes in. Super cute and sleek. I'm gonna open her up for you guys. So this foundation retailed for $44, which, similar price to others. If I can get it open. There we go. And she's like cute and sleek. Becca products, just nice, cute, sleek, but ultimate coverage. But let me see. 24-hour foundation. So this is her. Super cute. It says foundation redefined. Ultimate coverage is a surprisingly weightless and breathable cream. A perfectly balanced distribution of pigment and water at high concentration allows the formula to adapt to all skin types. Lightweight and oil-free, it creates a second skin effect of undetectable, flexible coverage with natural long-wearing finish. It says intense pigment ensures that uneven texture, redness, hyperpigmentation, and other imperfections are concealed. 22% water adds hydration and an elastic finish to prevent pigments from setting in fine lines, dryness, or pores. Sorry about that. So she used this on me as well, and I loved how it looked. I was looking for a new foundation to test out, and it was very, very pretty, and I mean, it did its job. It covered everything, and my skin did look flawless. So this was very, very nice. Put that back in the box. Next up, I picked up the, what is this? This is from Ole Henriksen. See Your Best Selfie. Brightening, moisturizing, and eye cream set. Banana bright eye cream and Sea Rush brightening gel cream. So yes, I picked this up. You know, standing in line, ladies. I seen this and I was like, oh, I want to try this out. So basically, it says create a smooth, radiant canvas for makeup with this vitamin C bestsellers. Brighten, hydrate, and correct for results you can see. A healthy looking, luminous Olay Glow. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out, and I will do some before and after pics and let you guys know if this actually works. So yes, I'm excited to try that out, and this retailed for $24. Next up, I picked up it's a Tatcha combination. If you've been watching my channel, as you know, I like Tatcha products. If you haven't, now you know. They're expensive though, and your girl, I cannot see myself to drop that much at one time on one thing. Like, okay, because you know, I like to shop. I like to get more than one thing. So I always buy the travel size, and whenever I see it, when I go to Sephora and I need to pick some up, I'll get that. Or if they have a travel kit going on Tatcha.com, I will go to their website and actually buy the whole travel kit, because you'll get the whole 7 pieces for like $160, which is not bad. So, but this I got is the Tatcha Deep Cleanse and the water cream, which I love, and I was gonna be running out, so I picked this up. And this retails for $25, and that's not bad for two, you know, travel size products. But like I said, if you go on Sephora and you want the whole line, they do have travel size like kits sometimes. Not all the time though, because I be trying, sis. I be trying. If not, I'll go pick up some pieces. But yes, I want to pick that up because I was running low on this, and it's just always good to have a backup of this because I'm not running low on it yet. But yes, so yeah. And then next up, you know, I picked up a palette, and I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Jackie Aina palette. So this is the box. Yes, I know you guys probably already seen her and all kinds of stuff, but I was really, really excited to pick this palette up, especially since it was made for women. You know, the colors are made for us chocolate women. So I was just like, oh, that's great. Because, you know, I do like certain colors that just sometimes the payoff isn't great or doesn't look right. Or you have to mix it and then it ends up being a different color than what you really wanted. So y'all ladies know what I'm talking about. So I was excited about this. So this is her. I pulled her out of the pack. And we're going to open her up. And voila. The beauty. It is just beautiful. And look at those colors. Definitely some neutrals, some pinks, burgundy, purple, reds, golds. I love it. Like, these are me. You guys do not understand. I wear these colors, and for it to be all in one palette where I don't have to mix and match or have to have a bulky one or whatnot. But I'm excited to play with these. And I'm excited about the names too. And this palette feels really nice. So, in the mirror, she nice. She nice, boo. Especially this get up in them eyes. So, yes. So, I will swatch a couple colors. Maybe I'll Shockington. Pinker is calling my name. So, we have Shockington. Right there, that purple glittery. And then we have Pinker. Oh, these payoffs. Look at that. The color payoff is nice. And I barely dipped my finger into it. I didn't rub in it really hard or anything. Like, just to show you, you can barely tell that I put my finger. It's these two colors right here. This one, Shockington, and Pinker. And you can barely tell I put my finger in there. Maybe like the Shockington a little bit. But yes, I'm excited to play with these. And let me know if you want to see a tutorial video with me doing a look or two with this palette. Comment down below. So yes, I'm excited. But I also picked up one more item. Oh, the palette. Let me tell you what the palette retailed for. The palette was $45. So yeah. And standing in line, I caught my eye on something and I had to pick it up. So it's the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So I went and I was standing in line and I seen these and I had to pick them up. And you know why? Because my homegirl Jackie Naturals tried these out and I seen the difference in her skin. And I said, I need to try that. I need to try that. And I said, I might have to go online and pick it up. And I was going to be like, I'll buy it next month, you know, payday and stuff. But then I'm standing in line at Sephora and boom, it was right there. I said, I'm going to buy it now. So I was so excited. And I can't wait to try these because it's 5 treatments in this box. It's like a light chemical peel. So your skin is not going to peel off. You're not going to have no downtime. It's kind of like what they call it, a lunchtime facial, where you can just go on your lunch, get a facial, and come back and nobody know what's going on. That's the type of facial it is. I don't think you're gonna peel. I didn't see Jackie peel, so I was just like, okay, cool. Cause okay, I don't mind, you know, a really good chemical peel as long as I know I can plan for downtime, because I'm not going to be walking outside with skin peeling off of my face. I'm not going to be walking outside and certain spots is very just, you know, tender. I don't care what nobody says, you can put sunscreen on it, but it's just a little tender, you know, especially when you washing your face in the morning after a chemical peel and pieces of skin are starting to come off. No, I'm not doing that. So I always plan to do, if I do a chemical peel, it has to be on a 3 or 4 day weekend, so I know I have some downtime to where it's like, okay, most of the peeling will be done by then, and I'll be, you know, straight to go outside without looking like, you know, some character in some horror film or something. So, yeah. Or if you get a real chemical peel, you know, you need a week or two because you're going to be red and, like, really look like something out of a horror film. So always plan for those. If you're going to do them, make sure you prepare. But yes, I was excited to try this out because I want to even my tone, my texture, my appearance, minimize my pores and my fine lines, boo. So I'm going to try this out, and shout outs to Jackie. If you haven't seen her channel, it will be linked down below. Go on and check her out. She is great. She does hauls and unboxings, hair reviews, and she's been doing some mask and stuff too lately, and shout outs to her because I picked this up, girl. So yes, this retailed for my receipt keeps falling, you guys. So this retailed for $17. So I picked it up, 5 treatments. That's not bad at all. And it has 7 acids in it. So I will do a review video as well. Let you guys know how it does on my skin and see if it, you know, if it does peel or not. But I doubt that it will peel because I've done peels before. So yes, that's everything that I got from Sephora. And I'm very, very happy. And yeah. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I upload hauls regularly. As you know, I got a shopping problem. So, and until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.